Hi guys, it's Megan Maria, and now another short tutorial here about Canva. And I just want to show you guys how you can make or you can create a match and move objects inside of Canva. You can do this even though you have a free account. If you don't have a pro account, then no worries about it, it's fine, you can do it. But of course it's better to have a pro account because you can use a lot of objects if you want to create a design for your project. All right, so without any further ado, this is how Canva do these match and move objects inside of your project. So to do that, I'm gonna show you guys. This is my first time I'm gonna do this, so I'm experimenting, and at the same time I just want to show you guys how I'm doing it. So forgive me if I made a mistake. Okay, all right, so click this video as usual, and then let's create a YouTube video, a landscape video, which is 920 by 1080 as usual. Click this one, and we're going to get a blank template for our tutorial. Let's get some objects that we can try to move here and there. All right, so let's say okay, let's get some rabbits. Okay, so rabbit. All right, there you go. So you can find a lot of elements. Let's go to the elements and type whatever you want. So if I get this rabbit, this one, okay, let's see this one. Okay, so now this is the object that we got from here. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna put this object somewhere over here. Okay, and then from here, you see it's just sitting there and looking at us. So we're going to duplicate this page. Okay, click this one and duplicate. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to move the rabbit wherever we want. So let's say let's move it here, let's move it here, let's make this rabbit happen. Okay, so just like that. And then once you finish moving the rabbit wherever you want, and then you will going back here, and let's get some transition, which is the match and move. Okay, you see the add transition, so we're going to add a transition from the rabbit, and as you see here on the left side, you see the match and move, right? So when you click this one, you see it's so fast. So just make a duration for maybe 1 second. Okay, so let's see, let's play this. All right, so it takes a long time, so I'm going to make this a little bit shorter, just like that. So let's make it rabbit move a little bit faster. Okay, so from here we can also get this rabbit, we can scale. Okay, make this a little bit bigger. So by clicking this one, then you can make this rabbit a little bigger, and you can scale up this rabbit. You can make things like that. So it's all up to you guys. All right, so let's see, let's go back here and let's see how it moves after we did the scaling. And you see it's getting a little bit bigger. So if you want this rabbit to make a little bit bigger, so just scale it, but use this corner to make this rabbit big, just like that. Okay, so let's go back and let's play with this. All right, so now I want to if you want to add more rabbits, then it's all up to you. So what you're gonna do here is just to click this one and then duplicate the page, so you can create a lot of pages for your project. I'm just showing you guys how you can make to scale this, move this over here and there. It doesn't matter where you want to go this rabbit. You can bring this rabbit here, you can bring this rabbit over there. But at the end of this video, I try to put some backgrounds like forest or something, or grass, where this rabbit keep on hopping. Okay, so now we have this another page. So what are we gonna do here is I want to make this rabbit move again somewhere. Maybe I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, and I want this rabbit to move over here. And let's see, let's add some transition again, which is the match and move. So you see that, guys. So from there okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit so not too fast. There you go. and then it goes back in. Okay, so because it is too long, it's 4 seconds, you can make this short if you want to, guys. So what you're gonna do is just to make this short. So I just make it like maybe 2 seconds for each page, 2 seconds or 2.2, and this also I might make it 2.2. All right, just like that. And let's play again. All right, so now, like what I told you guys, so if you want to put some backgrounds on this, so you click this one, let's click this one, and then let's go again to elements, and let's get some backgrounds, or let's say forest background. Let's see what we can get from here. Oh, there you go. So there's so many just here. Let's see. Okay, it takes time for me, guys, to to choose which and which, but I'm just showing you guys where you can get all of this background. So just type here on the blank here on the bar, on the search bar, to find which background that you want. So let's say, for example, okay, I want to use okay, let's say I want to use this one, and I'm gonna put this into I'm gonna send it backward, and I'm just gonna make this I'm just gonna set this to image background, so the rabbit is in there. And then as you see, so here also on the second page, I'm gonna do the same thing, which is I'm gonna put this one, and I'm gonna put this layer, click the layer and send it to back, so that the rabbit can see, and then set this as a background. And on your third page, same as we did, let's get this one. I'm gonna click the layer, and I'm gonna send this backward, and I'm gonna set this as an image background, so you will see the rabbit was there. So let's see, and let's play again this one with the background, and let's see how the rabbit moves. Okay, there you go. Right, so you can also put some birds on it. You can add a lot of other objects that you want to, so at least you have an idea how you can create a project that you can match and move, and you can put a background depends on your project. So if you're doing like fish or dolphins or shark, then you can get an ocean background, so you can create a design or a video like this. All right, so if you want to add more like say more rabbit for this, okay, so let's say I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, click this one, and then let's duplicate the page, since the rabbit is in there already. So I want to put another rabbit over there, so let's go back here to the elements, and let's get another rabbit. Okay, rabbits. Okay, so I want to see this rabbit, all of this, and okay, this is cute. Oh, what happened? Hold on, this is cute. I like this, but I want this. I want to flip this somewhere. Okay, let's flip it. Oh no. Okay, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna make this bigger, and then I'm gonna put this one over here. There you go. And then I'm going to create a transition for this, so which is again the match and move. All right, and let's say maybe let's put 1 second. There you go. All right, so let's see and play with this. And now you will see this rabbit again, and then I'm going to duplicate this one, because I want this rabbit to go there. Okay, so click this one and click duplicate the page, and then I'm going to click this rabbit, and I want to move this rabbit nearby here. All right, there you go. And I can make this also a little bit smaller if I want to, just like that. Like, you can scale it, you know, whatever you want. So it's really fun when you are making this design. So let's play with this, okay? All right. Let's play and see how it moves. There you go. And then it's going there. And another rub is going to pop. And then this rub is going to move there. All right, so I'm going to make this rabbit moving. Okay, I'm going to move this rabbit. Oh, no, I just want you to get a little bit smaller, just like that. All right, and let's see. There you go. And it's going to move there. You move so fast. So what I'm going to do here is, this is a match and move, so I'm gonna make you a little bit like 1 second. So let's see, because this rabbit moving so fast. All right, so let's go back. Oops. There we go. There he comes, and there you go. All right, so you can do, you know, over and over again. You can add a lot of objects. You can add another rabbit. So I just make a rabbit as an example. So I can also again add more rabbits until I fill all of this with the rabbits. All you're gonna do is just to click this one, and all you're gonna do is to duplicate the page. All right, so once you duplicate the page, you go to the elements and then find another find another rabbit that you want. Find another rabbit that you want. So if you want this, you know, you can just put this rabbit over here. You can scale this a little bit smaller, just like that, and then go here and make this match and move transition. Let's make this to 1 second. All right, so this is how it goes if you want to fill this forest with rabbits. So let's play with this. All right, so let's start from the beginning. There you go, and he goes back there. Then my next rabbit, there you go, he's so cute, and then he comes there, and then another one there, and then all right, so now I need this rabbit to move over, maybe here. All right, so let's see. Okay, you can scale it, you can make this a smaller, you can make it bigger if you want to. Then pop another rabbit, goes there, and pop another rabbit over there. Okay, so I want this rabbit from here. I'm sorry, I make a mistake. I want this rabbit here. That's why I need to duplicate this. I forgot to duplicate. I'm sorry, guys. So now I need to duplicate this, and I need to move this rabbit over here, and then let's click the transition, which is the match and move. Okay, and then I'm going to make this a little bit of maybe 1 minute because it's too fast. Okay, 1 minute. There you go. All right, so let's start from the beginning. There he goes. It's another one. And I just go there, and there's another one, and there he goes there. So that's it, guys. Just a simple experiment, but you can use a lot of objects, whatever you want. You can use food if you're cooking, if you're teaching some tutorial or cooking tutorials. Well, you can use some foods and just, you know, create this kind of video. And yeah, just match and move. I think this is another transition that Canva added. So yeah, play with it, guys, and make something like this. And yeah, so this is just a short tutorial, guys, and I hope you like this video. And then after that, guys, you can also add an audio here by clicking this add audio, and then you can get some audio here that you want to use for your video. So let's say you see, guys, these are all with a crown, so that means that you cannot use this if you don't have a pro account. So if you're using a free account, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get those videos. Click this one, and you will see this free, right? So click that free, and now you will see these are all free, guys. Then you can use one of these for your video. What you're gonna do is just to click it, and you will see here. All right, so let's play with it. Okay, let's play again. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this. If you have any questions, let me know. And please, 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 if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and click the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you get notified. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me and for watching all my videos, and I hope you learned something from it. All right, so I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.